Mike, let's go to Disneyland.
Yes, let's go, Mom.
Wow!
Mom, I want to try this one. Yay! Yay! Mom, please, one more game.
Okay, last one.
Yay! Yay!
Now it's time to go back.
No, I want to play more, Mom.
But we don't have enough money.
Mom, please, Mom, please.
Okay, Mike. Let me see what I can do.
Whoa! Yay! Mom, I'm flying. Mom, now we can go back home.
No, we can't go back because of you.
Huh? But why?
Because you spent all our money on games. Mike, we don't have enough money to go back now.